About the Muffin Man? I need to protect Granny's recipes from that bandit's evil plan. They're gonna shut down everyone in the forest if we're not careful.
No!
Ouch. Afternoon.
Hello.
So, you're the little girl in the red hood. That was quite a bit of following you did just now. Gravity's working. Those old cable cars on there. She read a letter. Wow, something smells good. Those, goodies in there?
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
No, you shouldn't. Good call. What are you doing way out here in the big bad forest? Take those goodies to someone in particular?
Granny?
Granny Puckett, the goodie lady? My goodness, she makes some good goodies. She's got a thing. It's like cookies, shortbread, chocolate icing between. It's good. It's very good. You make deliveries to your granny often?
I don't think I should tell you that.
Oh, you don't have anything else in that bag?
You ask a lot of questions, mister.
Well, I'm a curious guy. Let me have a look.
I'd rather you didn't.
Red Riding Hood! We'll never catch her. Taxi! Whoa, that was her. We passed her. Right here's fine. Suspect is approaching on foot, stolen recipes in basket. I'm about to catch her red-handed. Hand over the basket. Ah! Get back here, you little brat! Okay, not cool. No! You can't hold on to those recipes forever! I'll get you and your little granny, too!
Oh, that's fishy.
What? They're evil! I'll prove it!